everyone, my name is Charlotte Siegel and I'm an opera singer from Toronto. I am so excited to be coming back to St. Hilda's. It's where I spent a lot of time as a kid, and I'll be there next weekend doing a fundraiser for the church. It's May 24th at 4 p.m. It's gonna be a beautiful evening of opera and song, and my amazing friend and colleague pianist Brian Cho from the Canadian Opera Company will be playing. And I hope to see you all there. Bye.